Recently I learnt that my original snake that was out on the Lake Dunn Sculpture Trail, situated at the Healing Circle, had lost his head. This is the original image of that snake and his original head, and somehow he's either had an accident with a cow or a kangaroo and it has loosened his head and it since went missing. So this is what he was looking like with no head. So I made a new head for him, and we are going to take it out onto the sculpture trail, weld it on, deliver an ant to another site and do another small repair while we're out there. This is just a compilation of our day. And this is the ant that will be going out on the sculpture trail in front of the echidna, which any Australian subscribers to this channel will know is an Australian anteater. So a lot of people ask me, how do you get the sculptures out onto the sculpture trail? And this was my opportunity to do a little video of us taking this ant out to the trail and delivering it, and it actually is quite an awkward one, so I hope you enjoy the video. For those feet to go over the top of
No, it ended up just sitting on these. Yeah, that's about 3 meters wide.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably need every hand on deck for this. Hold on, if you go to the front. Oh no. Use this. Do you want to put like hooks underneath? Do you want to put a tarp down? On there, so it doesn't scratch it bad.
I've got a top, yeah. The hooks go under the belly and then you can just roll it upside down. Just like that. Put it like...
It's a very awkward ant, isn't it?
Put your feet on that middle one for a sec. There you go. I got too much overhang. Yeah, but you can probably ratchet strap the feet together. Just lay him down one way.
Back on now. What? Just to hold it up.
No, because the arms are still hanging there.
Yeah, they'll push in.
If you lay it down.
Like these will push up over the cage.
But then it'll be floating. Oh.
Which way does it want to actually... Is that the heaviest?
Yeah.
We can probably...
Just pull towards you for a sec,
get a rope to pull these legs in now.
There you go.
Like a rope or in.
Yeah.
Together so they don't hang out as far.
I reckon now if you strap the head and then just pull the legs in.
Yeah.
Just let it go and see where it's going to sit.
Does it need to
And then just strap
come over this way more?
Need it.
If it comes over here,
what if we can get it to balance like that?
Oh yeah,
on the under the arse end of it there.
Pull it.
there.
Grab him there.
Just kind of middle it up. That's all.
I can still put a prop under this.
Yeah.
Once
probably
tie
wanna-
it
Are you pulling on that at the moment?
a little bit. How much are you pulling?
Just let go of it. Yeah. I just want to see where kind of tighten that end and then tighten this end. Yeah.
Can you get that one? Might be. We'll see what's out here.
Yeah.
See if I can find a.
Is it gonna be too
That's
wide?
fine.
That's a good idea. That.
I'll just put your dad's. Where's
Oh,
all your?
we can pull these legs up. They come up with rope, so
Yeah, no, they're spring
they
loaded.
won't be out.
They'll be like.
Yeah, we can just put a bit of rope on it. Pull them close. Roll this yourself.
Was it always windy?
Yeah, the mission is dead, all right. Yeah, but that's how it was last time when they broke.
Because it was actually an old muffler. It used to be an old muffler.
Oh yes. You moving this a bit now?
Yeah. Do you want to do that? Make it face that way with the winch?
How far do you want it?
Just so that his head's facing like straight at you. So just
that one broke too.
Like turn his whole body.
all the other ropes broke, but the starter cord didn't break.
Oh, wonder why they all broke.
Didn't pull the head off, is it?
No,
We will.
it just moved it.
It might, but like
It was going good then.
Mind you, we've got a
flip
winch.
it. It's probably easier to flip it up than it is to flip it down.
Oh, that's too wide. That's all.
I think what's down like that, but just, yeah, I don't know. Like tip it up on its bump. But
That
then, like,
seems to be working
What way do
really
you want
well.
it though?
Yeah, that's the
Face that
right
way?
way. Yeah.
Just have to pull that leg back.
I'll pull this, well, it's got a sort of bum got a long screw.
Oh.
So we'll just pull it over.
And that leg needs
That actually looks really good.
And make it head maybe face this way a bit. Oh, I didn't even hardly get scratched.
Because of the top, I guess.
I didn't know ants ate flowers though.
Yeah, they do.
Do they?
Round here they do. They eat, probably not, I don't know where that flower came from. No, it might be a gum tree blossom or something.
It looks like a gum tree blossom.
I don't know what a gum tree blossom looks like.
A little bottle. Yeah, I wanted one that was taller.